Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to delete the comments in Instagram that you ever left on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. Next, in the bottom right corner, open your profile. In the top right corner, there are 3 bars. Here, Settings and Privacy, Archive QR Code, Threads. We click on your activity. We find here the tab like Comments, Tags, Sticker. We click on Comments. If we have ever left some comments to someone, it will be shown here. Let's say on this post, I left this GIF and this comment, and we can see it. If we scroll down, we will find different posts where we left some comments. If we want to delete, we press Select. Further select Comments and press Delete and confirm the deletion again. In this simple way, you can delete absolutely any comment that you have ever left on Instagram. If you liked this video and you watched it to the end, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.